Me, I see person when go first tell me. Person when go first tell me good evening. I go they look on. I not talk. May we do one like this. If you not they look at me go they look for una. May we they look body. You they look for me, I go look for you. Okay? May you look for me, I go look for you. I not talk. I not talk. You they look for me, I go look for you. May you look for me, or I go look for you. Hello, everybody. Yo. This one. I'm begging. Hello, Cynthia Osas. Good evening. How you doing? Mona BSC. I greet you. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. I appreciate your greeting. How you doing? Adekon. Hey, way. Me I share. Since una know they help me, they share. Me I share my video. Una know they help me, they share. Why now? What I do now? I know they do saga. Mona still they help me, they share. I know they do saga. I know some of they like saga. I know they do. I mean, me I can't they do saga. Who want make I saga? Mona they share my video. Who want make I saga? Osas me I can't saga you. I want saga Cynthia Osas. No saga you, my sister. A saga be your messy. A saga be your messy. I want share for this side. Okay, my people. I don't share. One of them they share my video, okay? I know they do saga, alright? And I know say me, I know they do saga. Not be say person come and say I don't get mad to bet. And they look like be messy, alright? If I don't saga you, me with you no go. I get cool. I know saga you. I know saga you. You wait tell me good evening. I'll call the saga you. That one not be juju. A saga be messy. I know the like saga because if I call saga you, later we can't know say we relate. Go get us a be. Kunyagi kwese. Although that's why I be. Now make me know the like saga. So we know the saga for here, okay? We dey do our thing, do a normal way. We come out, okay? So I was saying, as I heard there for social media just now I can't see this video where I go play for now. Now not say those people where be say the one who they pull love and like. God bless you. Mwah. 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 Mona they help me they share my video, Mona they help me they share, Mona they pull love and like. I know say I know they sometimes I know they talk, I just they talk with you, I want they talk, they go. I know they say pull love and like, it they help the page, okay? It they help it's like I know they talk nyama thing, I know they cause. It here more, it here no say, you know. I don't like but I know say when they do people just they press on ya one year. No, I mean press me no man. No matter so I know say if you want go viral for social media, not to saga, but I don't like them. Not like them. So may I talk with you, I want to talk. As I did for social media, I can see this video when I want to play for now. Okay, may I play on for now. Now no say some people want to use this Esther apology take on to another thing. I felt come out this morning. You understand? I talk about her. So I can't see the one way easy do. Now no easy now. Thank you. I love that. Wow, woman way really on your sab. Oh, bonnie no ya press any. Ego I can't. Ego. Oh, I can't say. Oh, I can't tell. Ego I can't. Emiamela or ahwa. Okay, so I can see this easy video where I want to play for now. It's like this one, don't even verse easy, you know. the way some of our people they take this apology where Esther can't do, they want carry and go another side. Is evil talk put a bat. I don't even know say talk put. I just see on this evening. I say me I bring and come because when people they do something, they think say what then they do ya aware or no worry no. First of all, me I play the one way the video way easy do no. I'll play now 2 video, but now very short video like that. Okay. I will say. I just like them like that. We say. God bless you.
To enlighten it, but I just want to talk small because
the
family where I come from, would they forbid to fight or to quarrel for night? You know why? So I don't really like to go into details because if not, you know, I just because so they have to tap. I have your name so people did.
New Year because it's so annoying.
Akobeghian, it was last year for many years. I know it's not they find money, you know, they find content. But don't, like I said, it's not they find money in detriment of another person. And we know where I want my whether
the thing
whether apology na fake or na real, it's none of anybody's business.
Abi,
see, one thing wanna not know be say.
Tell them.
Yes, sometimes they be like that. It can be fake. It can be real. But the mind to come out to say sorry.
On your important.
Not everybody they feed it one.
Good evening, John.
Hey, bros, I greet you. Not be everybody they feel they say sorry.
Not be lie.
If that's so raw. They don't say this thing they wrong you. People they will wrong.
They not come.
People they with me don't fight for, do everything for. As I call I don't come. Come on, don't tell me say welcome. They not fit. People they wrong you. And they know say this way they do to this person, they wrong this person.
Not be lie.
But to even say sorry, they look their chest. People are like that. I'm not here to defend anybody. But what I don't like is the way we manipulate to we might have we don't pass that level. If somebody comes out to say, okay, I'm sorry for what I did, whatever. Okay. I even see one video, somebody they talk, say, me can't talk, waiting. I don't understand. Which one be say, waiting, we can't talk, waiting.
See me,
waiting, they say sorry for another for year.
See me,
every time, you people just like problem.
If
trumpet sound today, now trumpet sound, God come. Where are you going to?
They will just sit down.
Say, if God come at this minute now, as we talk, so say trumpet sound, say, but the word end, where are you going to? Have you ever asked yourself?
From where?
Then the day I thank God for today. When you yourself, you don't even have that heart of love. May I tell you one thing, what happened to me if not be say,
listen very well.
I come Nigeria, I go site, I go work for site. From site, my enemy fall.
Sorry,
for my head, for my hand, everywhere break. I collapse. For 3 weeks, I take ground where the peace and that the shit. It's some people that I put on they go. But because of say the kind heart where I get, because it never reached my time to come up.
That's so.
I mean they work out and that today. I mean they do things. You know, people like say I even fell for. Why we be like this? Why we don't always like to? I get some comments on my conversation where I go. But tomorrow morning I will drop video. I go want enlighten those people. I go want talk to them.
They not go here.
Waiting the life mean.
Yeah. But we when that one that they hear, don't they happy?
Waiting the life.
They know the sweet them.
Everybody go carry live video. Hey, come and explain to me. Come and do this one. You they ask grown up person may come explain to you. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Somebody you don't clothe.
Is it tight then? This one sweets me.
You say me come explain to you. Waiting make her day apologize. I don't understand. And then what quick back.
Oh my God.
If person come and saying they want to do apology. Now when they apologize, I get that right to ask. I don't be you. I want the man like to when no. They will let it be.
Yeah, what fear go down. Yeah, what fear go down. Eh? It's bad, eh?
We like to the pop nose into people affairs we not really concern us.
Okay.
Nobody's perfect.
Share the video, my people.
Talk to you, so I'm not a perfect person.
No, of course.
I can also make mistake.
You are right, John.
Nobody be Superman. And then they be your time.
Yeah.
Classic Gloria sis, I see you. And then they be your time. I not be Superman. You come on, I want to tell you one short, brief story.
You think don't even
say that man they call Gidigbi. At the time, Agedibi was the richest man in the Midwestern state. You know what they call Midwest? Midwest now, you go reach Delta.
Just come on down one. No, understand. The thing don't even vex them. They hear many people, they say, you must come out, come tell us. Why, what it make you say you want, may forgive you, may this one. I don't know the way with some people. Anyway, not be their fault too. Some people, they will be say their frustration, they will just say, on your way, I played the other one for now, just now. Not only Saga, the one. Not only that one they like, which is very bad. That make me the thought. Me, I know they do Saga. That make people know they watch me. But me, I not worry. Maybe with time, some people still come. If I just say maybe I want to call Saga person now, oh, you just all of them just come. They will just come. Press love and like, which is bad. You're not supposed to be like that. Everybody know if you the fight they go. No, you still get what you not like. Especially like this one now where we say they want make peace. In ya was you peace in waiting now the game. Even this easy. Even easy no say Esther with a doctor Esther mama issue. But now because of waiting they grant she still enter. Yeah, and this not even don't even verse her say cover your day one ladian. No setting ladian who back where ye. Do you know your town where? Anybody ni can't offend in a why gui where I mean na yes on yaw. The woman say okay, or not take care. Or maybe where this woman before what my yes where some people then for them to tell you say sorry keka. Hey, it's so was here for them to tell you and they not say they offend you. Ni ya why atamu where we egui. Ama wala jono wari ugba oladia. Oma worry no wa mo jona atai. He talk with all in mind when they why ya jona ya atai. No, I still they talk say make she come out. I don't understand though. He not offend you or you wait say me come out. He not offend you. Hey. Me I play the other one easy. He not offend you or you wait say me come out, me can't tell you why. I don't understand. Hey. And the bomb you were made the like money. Oh, money offend was the made that person can't say, me, I don't understand this your sorry, this your apology. Wait, where you for offend me? Oh, what you better, they want stay for front. They want come ask. Now I love the love the other one pass. Okay, only I do accept it back where what to now can do now can they insult that one. If that one can say, okay, I don't forgive you, I just say me, I just still stress you small. So those of una way can't be say una dey fight for Akobeghian, una can't dey Saga. I don't understand though. Or why they mad or una don't know what he dey inside in mind. Let me listen to Easy. Easy, God bless you for this one.
I try well because today I had to go. Yesterday I promised I would drop video. Do that my video where I talk say for 2022 don't pass. 2023 and New Year, I've been getting a lot of calls from different people. Everybody they try to talk their opinion and yes, I don't understand all of them. I don't understand where they come from and all that, but any okay. This thing don't too long.
All right.
Let's bygone be bygone. Let's yank it away like we they talk for movie. And normally that yank for unfortunately, you don't take for granted. Working our ways up for more than how many years? For how many years I don't even understand. But anyway, this year I really want to focus on myself because focusing on people, doing things for people who don't reach out.
He said she don't move on. You understand? She don't move on. Because of a dog or mommy, know what way you direct, you understand? So what is the need? You know, even though say they tell you say your way, you know, or you can't get that 8 for now. But as far as say the person don't even come and say anybody, even call her name, he call everybody name. If I get what I do, what I do, I'm gonna forgive. Give my way do aku, then I can. Everybody will go in house, you know. She don't even forget. She don't move on. But some people. Saga social media ya wari ukoki iya gbalo yana iya nga mo ebogbo yene iya mu nyahu they want go sell am. Can you imagine? Now we listen to it. What is the talk for you?
Anyway, this year I really want to focus on myself because focusing on people, doing things for people who don't regard you, who don't pay you back in. I don't want them to put me back in return, but at least regard who they regard you.
Yes.
So people they regard them, they don't regard you. So
don't be
I don't want to focus on myself. This year is going to be a selfish year.
Show you, yes.
Selfish in the sense that everything about this year is going to be myself. Anything that makes me happy.
Now you go do for yourself. Oh.
Whatever will make me happy. I talk again. No, I'm going to go. What will make me happy? So I'm going to do this year.
Now so.
So if you wait, say I want to please you.
Good evening.
So me easy one come please you. Maybe for the happy.
Stella, how are you?
I'm not be please you. I'm going to please myself like 100%.
Nice one.
I'm going to please myself 100% because at the end, somebody like me at the blog, at the help people do promotion, they do everything.
Yeah.
Some people they say go even they promote, they go even tag them, they not go even come like your post.
They don't say thank you.
They can't even fit, even reply.
Show na yeah, and na truth. Show na yeah. They not go even say good evening everybody. I greet you. Mona help me share this video because when something don't too much, don't wait this one are easy, now they talk so. Now no say easy Saga Esther also. But now she can't even they talk waiting makes sense well. All those people will be saying they don't want here, they want make Saga come between, you know, understand now? Because nobody say Akobeghian go come and the Saga anybody. But they want carry and do Saga. They want carry and do Saga. Say, hey, okay, as far as Esther don't come say, daddy, la will forgive me. Find somewhere in your heart to forgive me. They want to use that one and say do away Saga because Saga not day again. Una know now. Say before Christmas and New Year, I mean Saga by my garo because Esther just come out now. Iyan gwaleve ni yan hanya ko we gbe blawe ni yan make na ko. This one na easy way be say there for inside. Now she they talk so. The thing even surprise and say, lady of son come out, can say those words, you know. That means all get on na mwenzo for but you nezo yawo. I will not tell you. Especially if I'm not can we. Wa amana nene mind they can we. Wa ha take bale, wa ha take munya hu ahia eh?
They struggle to grow. We put her for their back, make them grow. The moment they feel they don't grow, they don't give. They don't give whatever about you anymore. They do feel like say you not reach their level. That's what they like. But one time they always thank God to thank God for say we not they suffer, we not they beg for food. Every day say now you don't master. I don't know. He want you turn. I know they go anybody else go knock say what do you like me or whatever. So my people, I don't try yesterday. I call him okay. I talk to him like a brother. I advise him. I tell him say see this thing I'm your talk. Na gboya egwere wo mi me won yon yin tin na ya gbagba me na ya tin no makia
abi
ajo ni gbera be ni ajo ni gbera ni agbera wa ni le
nice one
a chapter we agibeje de la. I know many people where I don't meet. I know people don't take talk outside social media. Iye na no egwa yere na ni egwa yo iye de bisi na tare na koya mu yo to na egwere
okay
kuwa ke fancy ba ko be okay fancy lady of song wa ya egwere buwe you know
simple simple
na makwe wa igbina jina
no ne
wa eva we fancy working I mean wa je ori gbina na mi wa
irani wa no
na ne wa na do ala dia do show
irani wa no
mo ni YouTube ba wa ye ba ni ya
yeah Joe they not the share
as they will spend money reach to do video musical video. I never see anyone will get 500,000 in 1 month.
You know they all because they need that Saga. They want, you know, understand the thing go they switch there. They go they popori, they go they drop up and down. The winner easy break table leg. You finish.
So this Saga, this Saga on all of my go.
Yeah, one you will at you.
I be fans. Let's be fans in positive ways. Why people should not be fans only in negativity. No, be fans in positivity as well.
Then go here.
Be positive. Be praying for these people. Love them.
Okay.
I can remember one thing. Today I went to see somebody and my papa told me one thing. He said, never try to bring anybody down.
Okay.
He said, help people, make them grow, but don't bring them down.
That's all.
He said that's what he likes me for.
That's all.
I don't want to bring anybody down. Like when I go, do you know how many meetings I get a day? Do you know how many people come to my house every day?
That's all.
Because they know that I have got
no
brains.
Saga, no view, not be
I
lie.
have something upstairs. that I want to dish out for them.
Yeah.
So they're always here to seek advice, to learn one or two things, and we forge ahead, we move ahead.
Yeah.
Negativity should drop. I'm so tired. Like January is so busy in Nigeria. January busy said December. Party here. On Sunday party. This Sunday is more than 5. Oh,
because nobody get that brain to they carry away when nonsense here.
I will try my best and go to all of them. Dash out.
Yeah.
Out for everyone. So yeah, now nothing mama, I had one. No matter mama.
Bon when you fois. Then il dit pas local, on va arriver déchi. Wa tie mama il tie we, wa be tie ne we arriver déchi. Oh bye bye oh. Value you. Beg na easy they talk so egbe wo yere ne no get time for no nyama. Sometimes if you carry people matter too much, you go forget yourself. Umi ami egbo if you no heke no egbo, you go forget. You go come forget because you ya another people matter you put on for inside your brain, you dey carry they go. If they come ask you now what be your, you no go see talk. Umi okpari like dem we see this important thing. No ta error. So the easy don't even talk out. Eh? Oh. Go here.
I don't get time for negativity. Let me put it that way. I don't have time for negativity. All I want is positive vibes. When you give me positive vibes, that is all. And I want you, or if you love me truly, be positive. Forge ahead. Remove every whatever is in your mind, remove it away. Then my ears zip so nobody forgiving man. Okay. It's so sad, it's so bad. So
I pray.
To say for those of you who are calling me, just trying to convince me, the ones who are trying to put fire inside, they like you, they talk true. Yeah, they talk true. And this time I'm also saying the truth. Let bygone be bygone. Let it go. Remove it from your mind. Look for inner peace. Forge ahead with your life.
Yes.
I don't want to talk too much. I just want their reserve.
That's so.
I don't want to talk too much. I know me very well. Say, at the person where I will feel fight for person where I love. I did one way. But this time around, I was going to tell them I'm moving at you talk. Let's move ahead. I love you all. Happy New Year once more.
She don't talk her own. You understand? She don't talk her own. Because sometimes you need to back off. Say, I beg me to wear these things. You understand? Especially when big say, you know, consign you one-on-one and not get one-on-one issue. So sometimes you need to say, okay, easy. May I use this one. I know say you not come back, okay? If anybody will be say they want try to convince you, tell them say make the carry go. We see any amount here, doing your work, but when you are here because you not get time. As you say, you want just focus on your life. Focus because those of them will be say they don't have focus on their life. Make they forget their ni amia megbe, ni amunwenere, ni amunwenere, ni amunya, ni amua here. You understand? Because sometimes as they will make bebagbon, na even ma. You know good though. Now wow for people, so they are calling easy. I believe say because they see the way easy say they talk, they'll say okay, easy no one do again, easy not do again. Anybody will say one do, then get their phone. Yeah, they get life for them, make the press on. Make them just they do the video because those one are Saga na anyhow because any normal money waiting no good and therefore they see them waiting good you not go see them for them like me on they watch her maybe if easy can just withdraw say she no one really go answer anybody they come they try to they feel look back now not the way where our people tend they do now and those when do I feel any bad go the picture go they make for talk you know understand as far as say the girl say airy in mind value you are tie mama ile tie we o mana tie mama ile we we an do doni I don't know you don't know me erokpa mi jokpa bi ma my wife ni eyokpa ma gwa negbe you know something like that that's what it's supposed to be. I don't push on and come they tell and say no you must come inside you must go this way you must come do why you say gani wa mu kokinu wa mu ahia wa mi no mi ere to re omo be na e be that's what it be my people. You understand? why you carry Esther matter for? I don't know. Why move a contract for? So now be that one because I just see and say, ah, wow, easy. I don't know. Say easy. Even do video, you understand? Just there for social media. I just the wakana see and I say, make I bring her come. Make they still see say even the person where you sit down. No see Esther that one still get mind to tell say I don't get time again. As far as say she don't tell me everybody say sorry. I'm okay with that. No we ain't kun we no mu nya no mu akia. For no one go the Saga Esther mo na go the Saga na. Why be careful because o man no wa big. Oh come and no wa. O salobo no rekete. Oh no wa mo body away. You must ask now. Oh no. All these things where we they do. One day, your pikin go waka go one place. Maybe not person where you be say ugbe mo awari. O man know where one day, but inside the echoge or bueli na geni ati and then you know handle e wa. O ho na urema e say wari your win you down. Wari your win you down. Anything where they do, they go front. If you do bad, they wait you. If they do good, they wait you. That's what it be. O ma biene. Sometimes, Amy, no, I say, I better make a throw away this one, making over me and say, but our people, they know they take because of Saga. People come, they watch. And they know my way Saga, oh, then book money. So, what is the need? So, now, some my people, I just see and say, me, I bring a comfort now. For those of you who never hear, no, for year waiting, easy talk. Maybe they go, they call them for back, say, maybe the way you say they do now, we not understand, though, why you go just accept like that. May come me I no understand though. Or why they way apology, why they know way waiting make you come they do this apology. May she come and when I don't see that kind of thing. Not be you if offend though. May the person come out, come explain to you for waiting now. Because some people their brain not correct. For it. Some people their brain not correct. My people, me I live on me I go do my thing. Good night, everybody. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Wagumi share video. More than they share my video. I know they do Saga. Okay, I know they do Saga. I know and they do my team. If I want just talk with you, I want talk. I talk and come on for them. I don't get time to they say go on normal, go on no. I don't get time for that one because you know they make sense. If you want to talk to person, talk to them. You go enter a brain. If you can't, they use insults. Or might make sense. It's like you are. The person, even the way they talk, it will be say your head not even correct because someone we are going why we not everywhere, why we not everywhere, the thing will come the verse. Thank you, God bless you, John. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate you now. Okay, my people, see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Now sleep well, okay? One love. Bye bye.